How to get free Temu gifts without inviting your friends. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Prabin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free gifts on Temu without inviting friends. Well, one of the ways to earn on Temu is to invite your friends, right? But if you want to do it without inviting anyone, then you will get the option as well. How you can do so? Let me show it to you. First, you want to go ahead and open up Temu, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, at the bottom of your screen in the middle, you'll find the U option, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on U option here, you should be able to see the option that says earn credits and free gifts. So you want to tap on it, and here you'll be able to see various offers where you'll be able to complete those offers and get free gifts or offers as well. So this is one of the ways that you can get the free Temu gifts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.